a robot you can control with your phone to do obstacle courses like bowling an RC car, to a toy that is packed with high-tech features like a camera and can teach physics, math, and programming. There are some coolest inventions you haven't seen before. Sphero Mini Activity Kit. Introducing the Activity Kit, a compact and dynamic robotic marvel under your smartphone's command, packed with a whopping 28 components. This kit empowers you to construct exhilarating obstacle courses that push the robot's limits. Enclosed within are 15 vibrant cards, teeming with thrilling undertakings tailored for Sphero's company, from pint-sized bowling extravaganzas to the guise of a nimble RC car, and even a formidable game controller. Sphero effortlessly morphs into your multifaceted entertainment accomplice. Brace yourself as Sphero astoundingly translates your visual cues into seamless, awe-inspiring actions. Get set to be awestruck by a remarkable exhibition of extraordinary creations that you've never laid eyes on before. Casting. Fishing is now easier with casting, a virtual reality game. You don't need to wake up early or travel far. You can fish wherever you want and whenever you like. The game uses a mobile app, a special box at your feet, and a rod with a smartphone holder to create a lifelike fishing experience. The computer makes the fish bite, the rod senses your movements, and the box under your foot creates tension like a real fish. Tugging! The virtual ocean has around 70 types of fish that act like real ones. They live in different parts of the virtual space. With all these features, casting can give you many hours of fun for $300. Jump Fury! Step into the realm of excitement with Jump Fury, an electrifying toy car boasting oversized wheels that redefine playtime. These colossal wheels have been meticulously designed to propel the car into exhilarating bounces off practically any surface, whether it's defying gravity to ascend walls or gliding effortlessly across floors. Crafted with a touch of gentleness, the wheels ensure a harm-free experience for all surroundings. Prepare to be astounded as this car effortlessly executes nimble rotations in confined spaces and defies gravity with jumps soaring up to an impressive 22 inches high. Unleash your creativity indoors by crafting thrilling obstacle courses that harness the car's remarkable capabilities. Priced at an inviting $40, Jump Fury beckons you to embrace boundless fun and exploration. Balloon Puncher. In a stroke of creative brilliance, the innovators at the Chinese brand ICEO have ingeniously transformed ordinary balloons into an exhilarating spectacle. Behold the marvel they've birthed! A whimsical robot poised to revolutionize playtime. Guided by a remote control, this captivating contraption features a spinning body and animated arms, all culminating in a balloon-crowned head. An epic showdown unfolds as the robot and participants join forces to engage in a merry duel, aiming to strike the balloon until it bursts into a cascade of joyous fragments. For the intriguing world of Balloon Puncher, your investment is a mere $50, an invitation to experience entertainment like never before. Ravensburger Gravity Tracks. Gravity can be tricky sometimes. Not for Sheldon. He finds gravity fun. You can use its laws to create your own ball track. This set has a variety of tiles, levels, and tracks to build roads for metal balls. Explore how the laws of physics affect the ball's journey with curves, crosses, free falls, and even a cannon. The best part is, you can keep adding more sets to create your dream ball track playground. It's all about having fun with gravity! DJ Robo Master Meet Robo Master One, the next toy we're talking about, and it's here to help you learn new things. You can control it using a special remote, and even the basic version is packed with high-tech features. It has a camera, can move in different ways, and handle obstacles. But what makes it special is that it's like a learning partner. It can teach you about physics, math, programming, and even robotics. That's why it's called Robo Master. It can learn commands, recognize objects and colors, and follow certain patterns. You can even have races with other Robo Masters 1 toys where they try to outdo each other and use their abilities to win. It also has a blaster that shoots gel balls. The price is $550. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we reveal not just one, but two incredible wonders that will spark your imagination in ways you've never experienced before. Fingers. Ah, the nostalgia of spinners, a classic pastime. But behold, a fresh twist on this beloved amusement has emerged courtesy of Fingers, an innovative American enterprise. This latest rendition boasts a trio of interconnected rings, linked through the magic of magnets. These rings possess a remarkable fluidity, granting you the freedom to orchestrate a plethora of movements, opening up a realm of possibilities for awe-inspiring feats. While the company's official platform unveils a repertoire of 10 captivating tricks, the canvas of your imagination is boundless, allowing you to craft your very own enigmatic maneuvers. With an enticing offer, the plastic variant is available for a mere $15, while those with a penchant for elegance can indulge in the wooden edition for $99. Elevate your leisurely moments with this fascinating fusion of innovation and skill building. Zax. Allow me to introduce Zax, a remarkable toy throwing axe that invites boundless play, both in the open air and within the comfort of indoor spaces. This clever creation boasts the ability to securely affix itself to surfaces via gentle suction cups, ensuring a worry-free experience with its entirely harmless design, devoid of any sharp edges. Dive into a world of dynamic exploration as you experiment with various throwing styles, guaranteeing an unending wellspring of entertainment. This captivating companion can be yours for a mere $18, a small investment for an immense journey of fun and discovery.